Friends, now we have to learn how to determine nature of roots of quadratic equation. Friends, don't forget to subscribe our channel because here we are trying to cover each and every problem of mathematics from class 1st to class 12 with English explanation as well as Hindi explanation. So friends, subscribe our channel and now see the next video. Friends, all of you know quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a, b and c, these are coefficients of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And in this case, variable x is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That means x has two values because of middle plus minus sign. X has two values and these are known as two roots of quadratic equation. Listen again friends carefully. X is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now here at the center, means for second term, there are two options plus minus, and because of these two options this x has two values and these two values are two roots of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In this case, b square minus 4ac, this term is called discriminant of a quadratic equation and is denoted by Greek letter delta. It is triangular symbol delta, and by using this discriminant b square minus 4ac we can determine nature of roots of given quadratic equation. Nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. Let's see how. Now see the first case. If b square minus 4ac means discriminant is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then after substituting this value in our quadratic formula we get x is equal to minus b plus minus under square root value of discriminant, that means value of b square minus 4ac, which is 0, upon denominator as it is 2a. After solving this we get x is equal to minus b upon 2a. X is equal to minus b upon 2a. Now here variable x has only one value. We can't get two values here. Okay, so we can say the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal because this value minus b upon 2a is clearly real, and since x has only one value, that means both roots are same, equal, so we can say these roots are real and equal if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now second case, if b square minus 4ac means this discriminant is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then in this quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The second term b square minus 4ac means discriminant is greater than 0, that means it is positive, and that means we will get two values for variable x because of this plus minus symbol, plus minus sign. First value is x is equal to minus b plus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second value is x is equal to minus b minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now in this case we will get two different values, because in first value there is addition of first two terms and in second value there is subtraction, and that's why we will get two different values. So in this case we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. See again, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, that means if discriminant is positive, then we can say the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Now third case, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then in this quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus under square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. In this formula, at the place of second term b square minus 4ac, if you put its value, which will be negative because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means the value of this discriminant b square minus 4ac will be negative. That means under square root we will get negative number. If under square root there is a negative number, then the number is not irrational also. It is not rational as well as not irrational also, and so we can say it is not a real number, and that's why we will get values of x as non-real numbers. So these roots are not real numbers, and therefore we can say the roots of quadratic equation are not real. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means if discriminant is negative, then the roots of quadratic equation are non-real. So students, like this we can determine nature of roots of quadratic equation by using value of discriminant b square minus 4ac.